kind of music in there, bro?
That's what editing's for.
Oh. So everything we're talking about is saying it's not gonna come out in the video.
What do you think of this weather?
I think it's nice. I like it warm. It's pretty chilling. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Oh, nice. 51 feels like 39. Perfect.
Nice and warm.
It's nice and warm. Look at you.
Hey, when are you gonna do some traction bars like this on one of your rigs?
The Ford already has them.
The Ford has traction bars?
Nah, I just need to put them on. They're raw.
Some Dirt Logic coilovers.
Nah. They had Kings, but they bent.
But you haven't put them on?
No, Christian bent them.
Got some 28s and they haven't put them on?
Yeah. I need to put 37s on that one.
Got a diesel.
Oh, cold.
The reindeer accessories.
Yeah.
Very festive.
Very festive.
You need to put a trailer on the back and put like you in there as like El Rey Tepache as Santa.
Nice. Before and after picture or what? What's going on?
No, I'm trying to make sure that it's not gonna lock on them when I walk off.
Why are we walking backwards?
Because I gotta get far enough from them so it won't lock.
Oh, Rudolph!
Yeah, I think it's good.
Where can the people find you?
Huh?
Where can the people find you?
Instagram at exclusive.
It's on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can say it too. I was just.
I didn't know you were.
I put you on the spot. No, you're good. You're good. So Dominic bought some KG1s from us a while back. Some tires. He's got a pretty sick suspension set up with some traction bars, Dirt Logic. We'll give it an overview and you'll see it in the video. But check him out on Instagram. Exclusive Detailing. How far are you going for detail jobs in the DFW?
Pretty much like, you know, Fort Worth, Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie.
Like main DFW?
Yeah.
Pretty much anywhere? Nice. Yeah. So hit him up. Truck's sweet. Might be going to 8-inch.
Maybe.
Some point soonish. But anyways, get some shots of him detailing this and then probably give his truck a whip around the block and see how she rides. Their Logic setup. Enjoy. Sorry to interrupt, but I think you'll enjoy it. March 5th, that's about 3 months from now. 2 months from now? 3 months from now, I don't remember. We'll be at Convoy Showdown in Ennis, Texas. Ennis Motorplex, or Texas Motorplex in Ennis, rather. It's hosted by the Dallas Drop Trucks, Dallas Listed Trucks. We are the presenting sponsor. We were at Summer Truck Invasion, which was the show they put on last year, and it was killer. Huge turnout. Lots of really crazy and cool stuff. Cool trucks and builds. They're doing a burnout competition. There's going to be drag racing. It's going to be insane. Also, for our giveaway, we're giving away $3,333. And for your convenience, you can do secret code NOTEPAD, 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 for 500 extra entries. No purchase necessary to win. Go enter, link in the description. All right, back to the video. And that's going to be overexposed. All right, shout out again to Dominic.
Yep.
Coming by, what was that, like 3 months ago, 4 months ago?
Yeah.
Getting some KG1s. He helped me out big and helped us out big by coming out to not Convoy Showdown, but Summer Truck Invasion, hosted by Dallas Lifted Trucks, who also stopped by today to get a little bit of maintenance done. But Dominic does a killer job detailing. I can speak for him and the fact that I watched him detail 2 vehicles, finished products, quality, as close as you can get to rolling off the production line.
Yeah.
Considering the fact that they're used vehicles, you know, but does a killer job and willing to travel, portable detailing, and he's only growing from here. So, anyways, there's his setup. So is this, what are we working with? Got Dirt Logic coilovers.
Fat Tech lift. Power coated. Got some traction bars. Yeah, hopefully we can go to an 8-inch lift pretty soon.
Yeah.
Go more, bigger and color match. Mirrors, headlights, grill, front bumper. Give it more of a better look.
Yeah. And then you always obviously get the extra horsepower for the festive accessories.
About 10 horsepower right there.
So, anyways, thanks again, Dominic, for coming by, bro. And hopefully we'll see more of his truck very soon. Man's out here wheeling and dealing, making that sale. Big sale, long text. All right, so today we have something pretty rad. This guy's brought quite a few things to us. One of David's longtime customers, and did a chrome delete on this
Chevy
4.6 or 5.7 drop.
4.6 drop.
Got her all chrome deleted, so handles, mirrors, bumper, headlights. Looking fresh.
Looking fresh. I like the way it came out. Everything same color matched. All the chrome delete they did. No emblems. All the emblems are gone. We gotta wash it, like right here we took the emblem and it looks a little bit more cleaner because the truck's a little bit dirty, but
Yeah.
once we power wash this truck, it's gonna look sick. I like it.
Clean, simple, dailyable.
Yeah. Taquachable.
Oh yeah, but it's not yet. You put like one mismatched wheel on there,
Yeah.
maybe some bald tires,
Or-
excessive camber wear.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Hey, also, don't forget, giveaway. We're giving away $3,000. $3,333.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of threes.
And it's not a scam.
No, it's not. The last guy who won $2,222, his family almost didn't let him come up from San Antonio to pick up his giveaway prize because they didn't think it was legit. But he left with wheels and
Yes,
tires
sir.
installed.
We will not ask you for your bank account or your credit card or your debit card, nothing like that.
I mean, if
All
you want to
gotta
buy
do is-
something,
well,
then
if
we will.
you,
If you win the giveaway,
you don't have to provide with that.
you just got to tell us what you want. It's really that simple.
And you have to be 18 or 16 and over.
I think 16 and over.
16 and over. So we'll probably ask for an ID.
Yeah, to verify the winner, we ask for your ID, but that's
But other
it.
than that, that's it.
All right.
We're not
Anyways,
asking for your social either.
But if you want to give it, we won't take it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I scare you for a second. You were looking at me like, no, James, no. Anyways, enjoy the footage.